Meditation is a habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. You can use it to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. Many people think of it as a way to reduce stress and develop concentration. Again, meditation seems boring to many people, so today, the benefits of meditation, and we will discuss how it is possible to make meditation interesting. Hopefully the video will be helpful for many of you. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and keep pressing the bell icon next to it. So let's get started. First of all, what will you achieve from meditation? Number 1. Increase in concentration, focus. Number 2. Increase in observation power. Number 3. Living in the present moment. Number 4. Getting lesser thoughts. Number 5. More control over anger. Number 6. Better understanding in relationships. Number 7. Decrease in attachments. Number 8. Increase in compassion and love. Number 9. Quitting of addictions. Number 10. Increase in energy. One asked Gautam Buddha, "What have you gained from meditation?" He answered, "Nothing. But I can tell you what I lost. I lost my anger, anxiety, depression, insecurity and fear of death through meditation." Now you decide whether to try meditation at least once. Now let's see how meditation can make boring change to interesting. I will share that with you in a few steps. Step 1. Fix a routine of 5 minutes. A very common problem for beginners is to meditate but then forgetting to do it for any reason or work pressure. You need to fix a routine of 5 minutes every day before starting anything, getting up in the morning first or before going to bed at night. If you can fix the routine is the best when you have the advantage. There is no need to target 30 minutes of meditation at a time at first. 5 minutes is enough to get started. The time should be increased to 1 minute every 3 days. Step 2. Finding a quiet place. One has to look for a quiet environment where there is no noise. It can be a room in your house or a roof on the house or a bench in the park. Then you have to concentrate. If you try to meditate in an uncomfortable way, your mind will go to that pain again and again. There is only one rule to follow when sitting: you should not sit with lean. Step 3. Turn off all input from outside. For this you have to close your eyes and ears. The eyes will close, but you will need to use earplugs to close the ears. If you want, you can use any air-type earphone of your mobile as an earplug alternative. The main purpose is to become detached from the outside world and enter your inner world. Step 4. Deep breath 10 times in a row. Breathing is the thing that connects the brain to your body. After closing your eyes and ears, you need to breathe 10 times. Step 5. Observing your inner world. The last time you heard your own heartbeat sound. Honestly, our inner world is much more mysterious, much more interesting than the outer world. Step 6. Gentle smile. Whenever you go to try it, sometimes some thoughts will come and peek into your head. There is no need to feel uncomfortable or angry at yourself, but to play it. A gentle smile should be given whenever you realize that you have started running after any other thought other than observing from your inner world. The question may come to your mind, why laugh? Because you have caught your mind. It's a lot like playing hide and seek in those childhoods. When you realize that your mind is taking you in the other direction, that's when you have to smile a little and we have to come back to observe that inner world again. Hope you understand. When meditation has so many benefits, try it once for at least 7 days. If something doesn't change, don't do it anymore, but at least try to be honest. So if I summarize who the steps are, that's what happens. First of all, you have to fix a routine of 5 minutes. Then find a quiet place and sit comfortably there. You have to sit down and close your eyes and ears and breathe 10 times. Then you have to leave the outside world and observe from the inner mysterious world for only 5 minutes. And whenever the mind runs here and there with a soft smile, we have to bring it back to its previous work. Great man said prayer is when you talk to God and meditation is when God talks to you. That's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment, and then you can let us know what topic you want the video on. So far today, stay well, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.